Yo. Ang lansa. Hello everyone, it's me Arlan. Good day po. So today is another day. So another video na naman po ang gagawin natin. So when I opened my phone earlier, because I just came back from Paris yesterday to have dinner with my friends, I opened my phone and a lot of notification pop up. So I read it one by one, and then there is one comment that caught my attention, which is they said that I'm going to rate Filipino foods, especially sa mga first time kong kakainin, sa mga first time na pagkain na aking titikman. So that's why I asked my personal assistant to research on what food do Filipino like to eat. So one thing came out from his mind that Filipino love to eat tuyo, or I don't know if it's a salted dried anchovy. I don't know if that's the English term for the tuyo. So today I'm going to show you, especially those people who is first time encountering tuyo like me. So basically it's my first time seeing this tuyo, I don't know, it's tuyo, dried anchovies, salted dried anchovies. So it's my first time seeing this, and today is the first time that I'm going to eat this and I'm going to rate it. So ngayon titikman na po natin yung tuyo, which is after nating matikman is i-rate po natin kung ilan po yung rate ng tuyo, which is as I've said earlier, first time ko pong kumain ng tuyo, which is hindi po kasi ako mahilig sa mga pagkaing Pilipino na gaya nito dahil I'm sensitive. I'm health conscious person, so kinakailangan na i-examine lahat ng pagkain na kinakain ko. So for the sake of my video, I'm going to try it. Here guys, I'm going to take one piece of tuyo and I'm going to eat it, and after kong matikman is i-rate ko po. So wait, there's something wrong. I think there's kind of fishy. May mabaho guys. Ito siya guys, mabaho siya. Ew. Hindi ko kaya. Mabaho siya guys, tignan nyo. Ang lansa. It smells pungent. Mabaho siya guys. Parang hindi ko kaya yung amoy. Paano ko ito i-rate? So for the sake of my video, I'm going to taste it. Hindi ko talaga kaya. Maalat siya guys. It's salty. And there's a tinge of bitterness. Water. Ganito pala ang lasa. I'm wondering why Filipino people love to eat this tuyo. Kung ganito naman yung lasa. Mabaho siya guys. And then yung lasa is masyadong maalat. And there's a tinge of bitterness. Mapait-pait siya guys. Though crispy siya guys, pero nalalasahan ko yung pait, yung alat niya. So basically I'm going to rate it 2 all over 10 dahil hindi ko gusto yung lasa. Masyado siyang mapait, maalat, and then yung amoy niya rin. I think I need a lot of water. So, live update guys. So, the time is 8:45 in the evening and kinat ko na po yung video ko kanina habang kumakain ng tuyo dahil biglang sumama yung pakiramdam ko because what I've said earlier that I'm sensitive sa mga kinakain ko. So, baka ito na po yung bad na side effect ng pagkain ko ng tuyo, which is masakit na po yung ulo ko and then mataas po yung temperature, yung body temperature ko, and then I think nilalagnat ako kaya that's why I'm taking medicine right now. Buti na lang meron akong binili last time kaya nagiging prepared ako. So, that's why I hope na hindi kayo magaya sa akin na nilagnat dahil lang sa pagkain ng tuyo. So, ingat kayo guys. Goodbye.